In the dark with affiliate marketing? Try these tips. When you work through your own personal website or blog to promote the products of another company, it is known as affiliate marketing. This is an online opportunity for the masses that can be utilized by nearly anyone and turned into a profitable career, if enough time and work is placed into the system. There are always a few key goals and tips to keep in mind during this time. Add content that your readers want along with your affiliate links. If you provide reasons for your audience to click on your links, you will find much better success. If you just type a list of baby items you like with links, you'll receive much less response than if you type reviews and why you love these items. Use the affiliate tools provided by the companies you are working with. Most affiliate programs are constantly adding new content that you can use to promote the products. From ebooks, to tip lists, banners, and email templates to send out to your lists. These are generally proven tested methods, so take advantage of them. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you should write videos. It is crucial that you know everything there is to know about your product. In order to achieve this, you have to research and write videos. When writing videos, include a link to your site in the resource box. Be sure to choose companies that have high conversion ratios, when it comes to sales, in order for you to get the best from your affiliate program. A conversion ratio of 1% is a great benchmark to have. Do your research to avoid vendors that are running scams. There are quite a few vendors out there running disreputable business. Some of the most prevalent schemes are to have bad tracking software to miss your commissions or actually lying on your refunds to make it seem like you are not owed any money. Check into the vendor thoroughly to avoid the scammers. Keep track of your affiliate program results. Successful affiliate sales come from watching what works and what doesn't. Most affiliate programs include some type of tracking function that helps you see which links are working well and which ones need to be tweaked. Vary page positions, see what products sell where, which wording helps links perform better, and use it to plan your future affiliate program strategies. They may not always seem easy to follow, but sticking with some of the things discussed throughout this video will have a positive impact on your affiliate career. You and the parent company will enjoy increased revenue, and you can continue to do what you love, without worrying about losing money through pyramid schemes or sneaky scams. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.